Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin.
Benj Ortiz shine as Mr. Gay World 2024 first runner-up, a stellar performance in England. In a remarkable achievement, Ben Ortiz, or Benj Ortiz of the Philippines, secured the first runner-up position at the Mr. Gay World 2024 pageant, held in England. This prestigious competition celebrates the diversity, talent, and advocacy efforts of gay men from around the world. And Benj Ortiz's incredible performance truly stood out among the contenders. Ortiz, who has long been a passionate advocate for LGBTQ+ rights, demonstrated not only his charm and intelligence, but also his unwavering commitment to the community. Throughout the competition, he impressed the judges with his eloquence during interviews, his grace in various fashion segments, and his overall poise and confidence. His journey to the first runner-up position is a testament to his dedication, resilience, and the support he has garnered from his home country. The competition was fierce, with contestants from various countries showcasing their unique talents and perspectives. Ortiz's achievement as the first runner-up is particularly significant as it highlights the growing recognition of Filipino representative in global pageants. His success is not just a personal triumph, but also a victory for the Philippines as it continues to establish itself as a powerhouse in international pageantry. Benj Ortiz's journey in Mr. Gay World 2024 has inspired many, proving that hard work, authenticity, and a strong sense of purpose can lead to great success. His performance in England will be remembered as one of the highlights of this year's competition, and his legacy will undoubtedly inspire future contestants. Congratulations to Benj Ortiz on this well-deserved achievement. His remarkable representation of the Philippines on the global stage is a source of pride for the entire nation.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!